Hey everyone, it's Matt here from Appliance Testing Supplies, here to show you our self-laminating test tags. Our heavy-duty test tags are hands down the most popular type of tag purchased, and for good reason. Firstly, they're both indoor and outdoor use, and are suited for most harsh environments, such as mining, construction, and even marine. They're made from a specially constructed high-density polyethylene, which basically provides a superior tear resistance and durability. So in terms of strength, it'll definitely stand the test of time. We know this because we manufacture them ourselves, and we hear this from the feedback we receive from our test and taggers, who use them daily. Now, there are a couple of extra goodies to know. It also comes laminated with a sealed down security flap. So this means you can protect the information that's written on the tag. Just pull down the flap and away you go. Each tag also comes with a unique number, which can be used for record keeping and logging. They're supplied with a permanent marker pen in packs of 100, with your choice of colour and completely adhere to the Australian 3760 standards.